Power's gone, nothing's right. Cauldron cold, no more fire. Potions fail, dreams expire. Spirits whisper, call me liar. In the dark, lost desire. Purchase card, echo loud. Through the fog, through the shroud. Mystic force, once so proud. Now just whispers in the crowd.
Babaylan TV.
Hello Capricorn, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for March the 22nd to the 31st reading. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, dun po yan sa ating kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience, no? So kung gusto nyo sumali sa live sessions, you're very much welcome to do so. Ayan, mababait naman po yung mga tao doon. Marami po tayong pag-uusapan ngayon, katulad ng inyong finances, career, or job. Of course, yung mga pinunta ng tao dito, more of romance, no? So nandyan yung different stages, singles, crushes, sa mga no labels, sa mga magjowa, mag-asawa. If there's a third party, why not, no? Ating sisilipin yan. I want you to know that this is a general reading, so you may resonate with the entire reading or baka konti lamang. Take what's only yours. Kung gusto nyo pong sumali sa ating paraffle, pwede po kayong sumali. All you just need to do is to follow me sa Facebook, Babaylan TV. And then, nandun po yung video, no? Nakapin naman po yun. And the mechanics is there. That's free of charge for a personal video reading. Ayan, so, simulan na natin. Capricorn. So, parang deep inside meron tayong mga ninanais na gustong mangyari, gustong gawin, gustong ma-achieve. Chances are, ito yung parang hindi pa natin sinasabi, sinasarili pa lang natin dahil for some reason, baka either wala pa tayong ganun capability, no? Pero still, that is a plan. Or baka ayaw lang natin ma-jinx, no, ng ibang tao. I feel like ito yung sinasabing kabayaran sa ating kalungkutan, no? It might be an alternative, no? That probably you're thinking of para makabawi-bawi man lang, no? Either sa sarili natin or sa ibang tao. Kung ito ay finances, chances are medyo nandito tayo sa darkest place, no, ng ating sitwasyon ngayon. I feel like sinasabi natin dito, nakakita ko ng opportunity, gusto kong pasukan, pero kailangan kong pag-aralan mo ng mabuti. Either pag-aralan yung finances ko, kung kakayanin ba, pag-aralan mo ng mabuti kung eligible ba ako, no? Kung kakayanin ba ng oras ko, no? I know that that will make me happy kasi malaki ang nawala sa akin. Whether it is you invested also in some other investments, or nagastos natin ng sabihin natin walang kapararakan. With the star and the sun in here, one thing's for sure, gusto natin makamit muli, no? For a few numbers of you, syempre, naranasan na natin magkaroon ng ganito kalaking halaga, no? And gusto lang natin uling ma-achieve or mabawi kung hindi man natin mahigitan, no? Parang sige kahit break even na lang, no, Capricorn. Kung this is career or job, ang nakikita naman natin dito with the Page of Wands, siguro naghahanap tayo ng malaking opportunity that will cater to your needs, no? Siguro naghahanap tayo ng isang job na, let's say, nakagraduate tayo ng ganitong course, gusto natin na mapapakinabangan naman yung course natin. For a few numbers of you, pwede namang kahit hindi siya sa course ko, basta meron akong malaking makukuha. And yung opportunity, of course, no, magiging maganda naman ang flow. Or what I want in here is yung sabihin nating star, no? putting myself into a pedestal. Chances are yung iba nagfo-focus din because they are heartbroken. So, ang daming factors nito. No? Parang ako na lang muna. No? For a few numbers of you, baka nabuntis. No? And nag-aantay kung sila ay pananagutan. So, sinabi naman nito is, hindi ako pwedeng magstay lang dito na nag-aantay. No? As early as now, kailangan kong gumawa ng paraan. Na when it comes to romance, doon sa mga singles, nakikita ko meron tayong napupusuan ngayon online. Ang laki ng crush natin dito. Ang laki ng ang taas ng tingin natin sa kanya, no? Probably we are also placing this person in a pedestal. Kung bibigyan ng pagkakataon, no? Siguro ganito din yung sa mga crushes na parang bigyan naman ako ng chance makita, makausap, makasama, or siguro suntok man sa buwan, no? Pero baka sana magustuhan din naman ako. For no labels, I feel like you are looking for something na parang I have a plan para magkaroon kami ng commitment, no? Chances are, the star and the empress signifies pregnancy. Baka iniisip ng iba, no? What if, no? Kung magpabuntis ako or some sort of like that. It doesn't necessarily always have to be buntis. Baka pwede rin namang magbigay ako sa kanya ng pet na alagaan that would remind him or her of me, or give them some stuffed toys, no? Para lagi nila akong kasama kapag natutulog. Ayan. So, kung mga magjowa naman na ito, I feel like nandun na rin tayo eh. So, papunta na tayo sa isang situation na paseryoso na. To a point wherein siguro nag-uusap na about pregnancy, kasal, cohabitation, or proposal, no? Kung mag-asawa, I feel like madadagdagan itong inyong anak. Wala naman kasing problem as of the hindi ganun kalaki. Yes, there's 3 of swords in here. Probably in the past, no, walang perfect relationship. Yes, nagawan tayo ng mali, pero we choose to stay with a higher font in here. And I think bumabawi naman with the 9 of Pentacles in person natin. No? I am seeing here you're also looking for a brighter future with the Page of Wands. So other cards are the Four of Cups, the Ace of Wands, the King of Swords, Page of Pentacles, and the Queen of Pentacles. Ang sinasabi lang natin dito, siguro, no? Hindi ko muna masyadong ibibigay or baka hindi pa ako ready that time. Pero ngayon parang gusto ko na siyang ma-achieve. Ngayon gusto ko na siyang i-offer, gusto ko na siyang ibigay, or gusto ko nang ma-experience itong energy na ito. When it comes to finances, sinasabi natin, siguro dati pabanjing-banjing ako, no? Or feeling ko ang flow is yung flow ng abundance is ganon. So parang nakakakita ako ngayon ng medyo shaky. Ayoko dumating dun sa part na said ako. So, ngayon pa lang, as early as now, with the Ace of Wands, na parang sinasabi ko, I need to do something because I don't want, no, na mawalan ako ng pake or mawalan sila ng pake sa akin. You know, probably you are the breadwinner of the family or ikaw yung nagbibigay ng malaking ambag. So, siguro din, no, merong mga families na kinoconsider tayo na masakit bang isipin, pero pag tayo ang nawalan ng pera, baka may tsapuera tayo. Siguro yung iba dito ganun yung iniisip, no, with the King of Swords, kaya pipilitin kong kahit papano, no, ayoko dumating dun sa point na zero talaga ako. With the Queen of Pentacles in here, what I wanted is the, you know, kunin ito and keep it to myself. Siguro, hindi na rin ako masyado munang mag-share ngayon. I will try to save as much as possible. No? So when it comes to your career or job, I know medyo nakakapagod kasi parang we're trying to give birth to an idea of improvements, promotions, incentives, pero hindi dumadating. But still, no, kahit pagod ako, parang hindi ko na lang iniinda masyado yung pagod kasi alam ko ma-achieve ko naman itong promotions na inaantay ko. kung romance naman itong reading na ito sa mga singles, what I am seeing in here is siguro napagod na rin tayo sa pagiging single, no? I feel like nag-i-initiate na rin tayo ng ating ng mga moves, no? Hindi man ganun kabongga, but parang gusto natin sinasabi or sinasabi natin dun sa ating person natin, whether it is verbal or through action, na sige, I'm also interested and I'm willing to open my door for you, no? Ganon din to sa mga may mga crushes. So if this is no labels, ito nga yung sinasabi natin na uh, I'm opening my doors to a different possibilities. Siguro I need to take some risk in here, no? Nakakatakot, yes, pero nandito na tayo. So we invested a lot of time. So why not give it all, no? Kung ito naman ay magjowa, what I am seeing is parang medyo lumamlam itong sort of, sabihin natin parang relationship, commitment, um, yung connection ninyo. So, what I'm seeing in here is hindi pwedeng ganito. Gagawa ako ng paraan with a Page of Pentacles, do, kahit papano, in my own little way, na para manumbalik naman itong aming pagsasamahan or mas mahigitan pa, 'di ba? Kung mag-asawa naman, what I am seeing in here, so, yung sa mag-asawa, I feel like meron din dito tutulong, no? Siguro itong ah, siguro isa lang ang kumikilos, but then again, now kailangan dalawa na tayo with the Page of Pentacles. In my own little way, I wanted to help, no? Gusto kong gusto kong iparamdam sa na nandito tayo through thick and thin. With the Ace of Wands in here, siguro, no, itong pagdagdag ng bata, nakikita ko pa rin siya, pero with the Four of Pentacles, siguro isang tabi muna natin. I think that you're going to focus on the finances first, but you're not closing the door for the possibility of a child or another child. Pero as of now, no, since nandito tayo sa medyo madilim na bahagi nitong ating ah, buhay, no, hindi naman siya masaklap, madilim lamang. What I need to do here is to help you to seek for the enlightenment and probably help, no, sa abot ng aking makakaya. So, napakaganda, nakikita ko yung cooperation, harmony, and I feel like this is yung katuparan ng somehow, no, na maa-appreciate tayo, no, ng ating person. Let's check some other cards here. Gusto ko lang pong ipaalala sa inyo na dun po sa kabilang channel, Babaylan TV, yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. Diyan tayo nagla-live, pwede kayong magtanong kung hindi nyo po maabutan. Pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa ating comment section as long as yung question po is answerable by yes or no. Pero, kung hindi po kayo kung hindi nyo naaabutan yung live sessions, pwede kayo magtanong dito, no? Kung hindi kayo naman papatulugin ng yes or no na sagot, dumiretso na po kayo doon sa ating website. Sa description box ng video na ito, there is a link, no? Click the link, you'll be routed to my website. Nandun po yung information, amount per question, name, number, QR code for your reference. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted po yun. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. Ngunit kung hindi po kayo, kung hindi pa man sapat, no, itong inyong funds to avail the private reading, so bali po kayo doon sa ating raffle, no? So that's free of charge. All you just need to do is to follow me sa Facebook, no? Doon po sa Facebook, nandun po yung information, may pinin po akong video doon that you're gonna see for you to join the raffle. And by the end of the month, sasabihin ko po kung sino yung winner or winners, no? So, let's get some more cards here. Can you hear me whisper your name? So, I feel like itong energy na ito yung parang sinasummon mo, no? At tinatawag natin. It may, I'm not going to take it as literal as it is kasi it's more of romantic. But for finances, no, parang ito nga yung sinasama tinatawag kita. kailangan kitang ma-experience, no? Naririnig mo ba ako, no? Na I need you to be with me, no? Even if it is a job or career, no? So let's get some message from the universe. You are doing your best and that is enough. So I feel like ito yung sinasabi natin siguro nakakapagod at some point in time. Pero wag mo nang i-exhaust masyado dahil sabi nga ng universe, no, is a confirmation that you're doing your best. And sapat na yon. Any difficulties you face will not last forever. So kung meron ka mga challenges ngayon, especially sa finances, nakakita ako ng maraming challenges sa finances, hindi naman ito permanente, no? So release the thoughts and feelings that don't feel good. Siguro that's one of the reasons why we are a bit stressed right now and we feel like we are on the shadow side because of the negativities that we feel. So sinasabi na, leave it all behind. Focus all of your energy on love, happiness, and hopes and dreams. So, instead na siguro mag-dwell tayo sa what we don't have, we need to change our perspective to something, be thankful to the things, whether it is big or small, that we do have. No? Tignan natin ang zodiac sign of your person if this is for romance. No? I am seeing Aquarius, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Sagittarius, Leo, what else? Ay, ayun, Pisces. Yeah, so this is your reading, love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.